Hey, what's up, losers? I'm Ruby. So, apparently, my video right here just, I don't know if it's been posted somewhere or if I've been blessed by the YouTube algorithm, but like, it's doing numbers right now. More than my videos normally do. I know 2,000 views isn't really like a lot, but if you look at my other views, like, I have one that passes 100, so like, it's kind of crazy. On this video, there has been some well-deserved concern about me using Manjaro, and I'm here to make this video and say, don't worry, I'm not using Manjaro anymore. I am now an Arch pleb. If I run Neofetch, you can see I got Arch. I went the full 9 yards. I got ZSH and like spaceship setup and all that. So I have these fancy autocomplete. I didn't spell that right. See, I have all these. I can do that and then tab it. Have some options, whatever, because like I'm dyslexic or something. Beats me. I'm still running xfce because honestly window managers aren't my thing, but I have this pretty sick like Mac OS theme going on that I actually think looks really nice. So yeah. Also, I'm no longer on a VM. I'm running this on my laptop, which is, if I run this again, it's a ThinkPad Edge. Literally found it on eBay for 80 bucks, and it's been serving me well. I have, if I come over here, I got Discord and Spotify open. I got YouTube running while recording. Like, I can fit it all under 3 gigs of RAM. It's like insane, and I love it. I have these up here. They aren't really lined up, but honestly, I don't really care, and I'm kind of too lazy to fix it. So I'm just kind of living with that right now. Also, unfortunately, I do have a Flatpak installed because the version of Spotify in the AUR is a little bit broken. It won't play any music for some reason, and I'm too lazy to fix it. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, that's a little update. I guess this is a sign I need to turn this into a Linux channel, because like I had 2 subscribers a couple months ago, I think, and so like everyone's here for this video, so I feel like I should do more Linux shit and just stop shit posting. Also, I have this DWM video that I did in a VM a while ago that might interest you guys. So yeah, that's the current status of things. Baba booey, goodbye.